Hey, so I just want to do a quick overview of how to onboard your Cloudflare page to have it work with your custom domain. This is as of February 27th, 2026. I know there's like 20 different videos out there on YouTube showing you how to do it, but they all have different UIs and different dashboards. So this is the newly updated version of it. Because I know for myself, I spent like 2 hours just trying to get it to work. Um, but yeah, this is basically how it is. You want to first onboard your custom domain, which you might have already done. Then you would want to configure your DNS. And this is the tricky part that I was stuck on. I kept adding my cname and my at to this original record, DNS record thingy. And that's actually not the correct way of doing it. If you want it to have it work, if you want it to have it work with your Cloudflare page. So basically, what you want to do is just ignore this part because this is configured after I got it to work. But again, remove the cname and remove the at. You might not even need all this part. This might just be jargon. So honestly, your record right now could just be empty. And once you have that removed, then you can go back to your actual Cloudflare page and edit the custom domain. And from there, this is where I added my custom domain, my from andylee.2, and then my www.fromandylee.2. And that should work. After that works, then you can visit the site and and yeah,